We're also welcoming David Allen Rubin, who is our vocal director, and also we get to him a little later in the show, but he's going to sing for us. Your turns.
Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white